My little tiger. I need a heavy equipment.
What kind of heavy equipment do you need?
What kind of do you have?
I will show you.
Teacher, I'm a teacher.
Wow,
It's an excavator. It can dig something with big shovel. It's a loader. It can load and unload heavy things. Ready mixed concrete. Literally, it can mix concrete. Tow truck. It can drag behind other broken car. Dump truck. It can be emptied without handling. Road roller. It can compact roads with a heavy roller.
I decided to pick this one.
Okay, what I need is only a screwdriver. I can do anything with this.
Sports. Ballet. I am a ballerina. I dance every day. Jump up, jump, jump, wonderful. Woo! That's what I want. I really like it. So excited. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I'm just satisfied with this. Can you make me more?
Sure, what kind of do you want?
This time for tow truck.
Just trust me.
Soccer! I am a soccer player. I kick a ball. Kick the ball. Kick one.
I can't wait to drive. Yee-haw!
My screwdriver.
It was fun today. Thank you for making heavy equipment.
I'm up, climb.
You're welcome. I can make all of this only using my screwdriver. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.